Today I'm gonna be switching out recessed light. Actually, I have two that I need to change. Change the light bulb, change the switch, still doesn't work. So I'm gonna be replacing them. And I'm gonna be replacing them with these little guys. EcoSmart LED soft light. And first I'm gonna turn off the power, and then I'm gonna be removing those lights. So I've taken out the light bulb, turned off the power. Now I'm gonna remove it. So I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver. Just pry it in here. As you can see, it has some, it'll come right off. If you pull down on it, it has these little springs. And you just have to, let's see if I can do both things here. Squish it, and they come right off. And then, same thing on the other side. And then I'm gonna remove it. So as you can see, it has two cables. And I'm gonna be cutting that. And the reason why is because what I'm gonna be installing is this LED light. It has this plug. So what I'm gonna use is remove this plug from here so I can attach it to the cables up on that fixture and then just connect it to this. And to remove this, you just need a little small flathead screwdriver. And then you're just gonna put it in here. Can't do it with one hand, but just put it in here and then pull this cable out. So I'm gonna put this in here. Take this off, same thing. Put this in here. The B for the black. The connector. And this I'm gonna connect up on the fixture there. And I'm gonna be then making it easy by connecting it in here. And then this, same as the other one, I'll be using these springs just like the other one, and this should slide right up. So I have both cables ready to connect to my little connector. And one, if you notice, is a white cable and the other one is a green cable, not necessarily a black cable. So I'm gonna use the green one to connect it on the black side, like this, and then the white. Then I'll do a test to see if I have the hot wire, which is the black one, on correctly. So I have this voltage tester I picked up at the hardware store, not that expensive. And I'm gonna use that to make sure I connected the cable to the right. It was a green cable, but it's gonna go to the black one. And I just put it right next to it, and it's telling me it's hot. The other side is not. So when I connect it, I'm gonna connect it the black with the black, since that's the hot. Yes. Connect this, and I'm gonna put back these springs. And then just push it in. Just gonna paint around here. Should be all good. And there you go, working light. Just need to paint around, and it should be all good.